This is the original tea. Before Lipton, this was what we were sipping back in the days. So this is our tea. And as you can see, man, this is what our grandmothers taught us. This is the natural remedy. Hello, brothers, sisters. I told you guys it's about time I start bringing guys to the kitchen and have one over here. Mr. CEO, So CEO of Skybase, right?
Yes.
That's like what's and everything nice.
Everything nice. Welcome.
Thanks, right. So what was this one?
This is lemongrass.
Okay.
Lemongrass.
What was it for?
The lemongrass and then the pineapple and ginger. Okay. We are going to make tea.
Okay.
So whilst we are waiting, we'll be sipping our tea so that the blood will be running.
Are you a herbalist?
Yes, I know a lot about herbs.
Okay,
My grandmom taught me a lot about herbs. So
okay.
I know about herbs.
Man, it's so beautiful. As I keep saying always, it's beautiful for us or we guys to know certain things about kitchen, about food. Okay, so he's saying that the grandmother taught him how to do this, and from childhood, I believe he still remembers everything. Man, look at this. This is what we were brought up with. Okay, this is the natural remedy, the natural stuff. Wow. So lemongrass has so many potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial property. It can also be used in so many ways, such as in tea, cooking, and also an essential oil. Lemongrass tea is a great way to detox your body as it helps to cleanse and purify many of our often stressed organs, including the liver, kidneys, bladder, and pancreas. It also helps increase blood circulation.
So from here, I'll just put it in the pan, which has already been washed. Yes. Wow. And then the pineapple, we are not going to use everything.
Okay.
It's just I need the cover.
Okay.
I need this side of it, and then a little bit side of this top.
Okay.
So this.
Man, the lemongrass, no, the aroma. Man, when Corona came, this was part of the remedy or the cure.
Yes. You know, I never took that injection. And this was the things I was drinking.
Exactly.
Yeah, I never took that injection. And I never felt sick.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to add it here.
Okay. Wow. This is pure herbal stuff, traditional stuff. We have our ginger.
Yeah.
So, wash.
I'm not going to remove the cover of the ginger.
Okay.
I'll not remove it because we need it for this very preparation.
Okay. So this we're going to use for the pounding of the ginger. The mortar and pestle. This is deca. Water deca.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So
It goes like that. Wow. So this thing you see over here, he designed it and he welded everything. So this is one of the jobs that he does over there to the chairs, the table, everything. He does everything. He does billboard. Man, jack of all trades. Amazing. We'll talk about that as we move on.
So
wow.
I'm not going to make it smooth.
Okay.
I'm just crushing it.
Okay.
Then it will come here. So in order not to waste any ingredients, I'll pour water on it.
Okay.
Then it comes in here.
Amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. So this is washed already?
Yes, it's washed.
Interesting. Man, as I said the other day, if for a guy, you have to learn how to cook. At least 1 or 2 meals, you have to learn how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now adding the water.
So right now we are going to the fire.
Okay.
Yes.
Amazing. Yes. Amazing. Man, isn't this beautiful to see a guy doing this? Yeah, ladies. This is so beautiful, man. Learn how to cook. If you're a guy, learn how to cook. It will help you in the future.
Bring it on top. We are formula la fia tigba ple atoto ple ginger maga cloth via the koga dema haya edena fever edana flames la alima ananaga na pongsa yovuba detox ga. It is going to detox the whole body.
Okay.
So you notice that your urine will become very white.
Yeah.
Whilst you keep drinking this. To keep you healthy, it's going to take you away from the hospital.
Exactly. For shizzle, vanessa. Yeah. Okay, so gloves goes in. Okay.
One secret about this tea is that when it's on fire, don't open it until it's ready.
Because of the vapor?
Yes.
Okay.
Even when it is ready and I take it off from fire, I will not open it. I will allow it to settle.
Okay.
The moment you open it, everything is gone.
So meaning, but okay, let's assume you want to have it the next day. You definitely have to warm it, and the vapor will still come out.
Yes. If you use it the next day, it means that you have to pour it into
a cup.
Yes.
Okay.
A cup or something that you can close it easily. Or you just make sure that when you are coming to boil it in the morning, you don't overboil it.
Okay.
You just warm it.
Okay.
Because we are making sure that we don't lose nutrients.
All the stuff inside.
Yeah.
So I can still smell the aroma coming out based on the vapor that we have around here. But then, as he said, you can't open it. So we have our tea off. So this is our tea. And as you can see, man, you see the color? It will join the subscriber code. Can't try. Man, this is what our grandmothers taught us. But because of laziness, you've kept everything behind. This is the original tea. Before Lipton, this was what we were sipping back in the days. That's why our mothers were able to live for 90 years, etc. But now, kidney issue is killing the youth. 25 years. Man, when I was coming, I saw one poster, 32 years. 32 years.
19 years.
Man, it's really sad.
16 years, they are going.
It's really sad. So we have our tea over here, natural herb, and man, it is what it is.
So it's still hot, but cheers.
Yeah. No sugar, everything, because the pineapple has sugar already. Amazing. Yeah, so this is how you can use lemongrass to prepare tea and also to cook, as I showed you earlier on. Very healthy and medicinal leaves that we have in Africa at our backyard. So if you have no idea about this, then start taking advantage of the lemongrass you have at the backyard. And those who have been using this, continue using. And please educate the others that doesn't know the use of this, the benefit, the health benefit and potential of these leaves. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, cooking with Sindaco. Please share this amazing content so that we can grow together. For shizzle, manizzle, or kodo. So we are adding the pineapple, the main pineapple to it. Okay, it goes in like that. Amazing. So this will serve basically as the sugar.
Yeah, the sweetener.
Yeah, the sweetener, exactly.